So with the 2023 schoolboy football season all but done and dusted, I think it was a very good season in terms of the general quality of the teams and the standard of the football. Some outstanding individual players were on show in both the Manning and the DaCosta Cup. Instructively though, a lot of the players have matured into schoolboy football this season that have come through the growing academy system in Jamaica. Players who came through the Mount Pleasant Academy and the Phoenix Academy and other less prominent youth programs were dominant in the cup-winning teams this season. A few years back, it was not best practice for academy players in Jamaica to be matriculating to schoolboy football. That now seems to be the trend. Playing schoolboy football, while not perfect and definitely not enough, but is really and truly the best and only platform for these players at this age group. The verdict is still out on whether or not it's a good thing or a bad thing for the wider development of the players and the game in Jamaica.